So ngayon guys, mag-unboxing tayo sa aking bagong nabili na bed o cat tray guys. Ito yung nabili ko sa sa Lazada. So ngayon tingnan natin kung ano yung meron dito sa loob guys. So ngayon i-install natin ito guys, i-assemble natin kung paano natin to gawin. Hirap nito guys, pero try natin. So, ikat na natin to para makita natin kung ano yung nasa loob nito. Yan. Kailangan dito guys, ikaw lahat, ikaw magpanday, ikaw pandong, ikaw panday. Ganito ang buhay dito. Pag kumuha ka rin ng babayaran mo ang mahal-mahal din guys, dollar. Di ikaw na lang kung kaya mo naman sa sarili mo, ikaw na lang ang gumagawa kahit nahihirapan ka. Ganun lang ang buhay. Kailangan mong mag-try para ka magkakaroon ng siksi sa buhay. So, yan. Buksan natin to siya, guys. So, hanap tayo. Ang amol naman ang kutsilyo ko o ng gunting ko. Yan. So, para malinis tong area natin, since bago pa tayo dito, kailangan natin na mag-assemble ng bed. Para may malalagyan tayo sa ating mga kalat-kalat. Tingnan mo guys, ang kalat ng ko dito. Kasi bago pa tayo dito, wala tayong cat tray. So, kailangan natin na magkakaroon ng cat tray. Para na rin magiging malinis ang ating area. So, ito, kailangan natin itong buksan kung anong nasa loob nito. At pwede natin yung i-assemble ka agad-agad para maganda naman tingnan. Yan. Ang laki-laki nito guys. Ang bigat pa. Sana magawa natin to guys na ma-assemble. Sa bagay, madali lang to siya kasi may naman siya guys. May, anong tawag nito? May katalog naman to. Or manual. Na pwede mong asimbulan. Ayan. Nakita na guys. So, ito ay nabili ko lang sa sa Lazada. Kasi hirap naman pag pag bumili ka, ayaw ko ng daghan pang chichibot. Jadi mag-order na lang tayo para sa pabilisan na pag deliver. Kasi mahirap na. Ang hirap dito. Tapos kung bibili ka na sa mall, maghirapan ka naman. Magbabayad ka rin sa sakyanan. Huwag na guys, ito na siya. So, ikakat na natin to na part. Ayan. Ano to? Pamukpok man siguro to guys. Hap. Parang martilyo. Hap. 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 Ha. Ha. Pak. Chik, chik, chik. Ayan. Nabaliw na. Pamukpok guys. Sige yan. Ilagay muna natin dyan sa gilid. Tapos, i-continue natin to guys. Continue natin para to i-assemble. OMG talaga tong buhay na to. Ayan. Kailangan natin yan sa buhay. Yan, nakita na. Ang ganda-ganda pala nito guys. Yan oh. So, kailangan lang na ipang-indicate mo tong bawat nito guys. May dugtungan naman to siguro. Kaya ganun to kabilis. Kasi may dugtungan lang siya guys. Sige guys. Gagawin na natin to. Ayan. Mabilis lang yan. Isa di pa rin guys. Please subscribe guys. Or follow my guys. Facebook and YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Sa mga magtatapos sa aking video guys. At don't forget guys. Pa-engage na rin.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away,
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.